Say goodbye to empty sales pipelines and low reply rates. Finally, an all-in-one platform that makes it easy to find and nurture leads with personalized emails that prospects will love. Find more leads, get better replies, and grow your revenue on autopilot. If you're not personalizing your outreach, your email campaigns can feel as thoughtful as those pesky robocalls. Unfortunately, you don't have the time to manually personalize every single email when you're spending hours hunting for contact info on outdated lead databases. You need a tool that can pull in fresh leads from LinkedIn, craft personalized icebreakers, and automate personalized email outreach at scale. Say hello to Hexospark. Optimize your email outreach with personalized emails, a built-in CRM, and a unified inbox. Nurture unlimited leads from prospect to client using the built-in CRM and unified inbox. Import leads to your CRM or tap into LinkedIn, and schedule personal emails in seconds at scale. Email plus CRM plus unified inbox for effortless sales growth. Stay focused and 10x your team's productivity. Convert cold leads into clients with one centralized platform. Add new leads from anywhere. Built-in CRM to manage unlimited contacts. Send personalized emails at scale. Automate smart follow-ups. Find unlimited leads from LinkedIn. Capture leads and craft engaging emails in seconds with the Hexospark browser extension. One-click lead import to CRM and email campaigns. Create personal icebreakers based on fresh profile data. Grow your network with the best data in the industry. Get in the inbox with validated email discovery. Nurture unlimited contacts in your CRM. No lead left behind. Track your leads, notes, and communications with an all-in-one CRM. Import leads from anywhere. Save documents and contracts. Access email and activity history. Pipeline management to grow your sales. Personalization at scale. Spark conversations and get replies with highly personalized emails that scale. Customize emails with lead data. Write personal icebreakers. Tap into custom variables. Rotate email accounts inside campaigns. Engagement stats for better campaigns. Automate follow-ups. Free your time with automated and highly personalized follow-ups. Schedule follow-ups at different time intervals. Create sequences based on how leads interact with your email. Take over seamlessly when leads respond. Email template library. Cloud-based cold email and outreach software. Unified inbox for all your campaigns. Stay on top of all your replies regardless of how many email accounts you use. No more logging into multiple email accounts. Focus on new replies or access all messages. Let your team answer replies in real time. Access canned responses to speed up replies. Granular workspace and team settings. What is Hexospark? Hexospark is an email and CRM platform that lets you send personalized, one-to-one outreach emails to leads at scale with a unified inbox. Hexospark makes it easy to manage your email outreach from one platform. No need to juggle third-party apps or complicated spreadsheets. From the dashboard, you'll get an overview of your email campaign stats, like emails sent and open rates. Plus, you can keep track of the leads in your pipeline, from prospecting and lead qualification, all the way to post-purchase. Hexospark lets you create outreach emails with custom variables and personalized images, so folks get messages they actually want to read. Just tap into your CRM data to customize your emails, ensuring that each one is tailored for different recipients. A unified inbox lets you track replies across campaigns and email accounts, so your team can respond right away. With the built-in CRM, you can add contacts manually or via CSV import to keep track of that data in one place. Send leads to your CRM from any website, including LinkedIn, in just one click using the Hexospark browser extension. From there, you can create personalized icebreakers based on profile data to boost your chances of getting a reply. With this CRM under your belt, you can manage your pipeline and view activity history to know exactly where you left off. Best of all, Hexospark lets you create one-to-one personalized email campaigns at scale, so you can stop sending boring bulk messages. You can even schedule follow-ups at different time intervals or based on how leads interact with your email. That means no lead gets left behind. Not sure how to get started? Check out the email template library for tons of inspiration to get your first campaign going. With Hexospark, you can send personalized, one-to-one outreach emails at scale, keeping everything organized with the built-in CRM and unified inbox. Send better outreach emails. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Hexospark today. One-time purchase of $69 only.